Hi friends, now I am going to explain about the Android project SBVLC Secure Barcode Based Visible Light Communication for Smartphones. The main objective of the system is to present efficient and secure QR code based visible light communication for Android smartphones. Nowadays QR code is nothing but quick response code images are using in malls for tickets and all. Okay, so in the QR code images we can hide URLs after any website link or OTP we can hide. So in this project we are going to hide a OTP in a QR code image for the confidential details to maintain the credit card details in that. If that OTP is validated, then only we can pay the successful payment. So that only we are creating one Android application, that is a shopping application. In that, through a QR code image we are validating a OTP with the credit card details. If it is validated, means that shopping payment will be paid successfully. So in this project we'll be having an Android application and a web server application. So Android application is mainly based on the Android thing. So web server application is based on the Java programming. So web based application, so here web server application is developed based on the MVC architecture. This is the project directory structure of the web server application. The software requirement of this project is the Eclipse IDE and JSP and servlets we are going to use for the designing. Then MySQL for the backend process and SQL yoke to execute the queries, that is an interface. So it is mainly on the MVC architecture, model view controller architecture. So model which represents the data and the view part is the graphical user interface which we are going to design with the help of the JSP Java server pages. So it is used to create a dynamic web pages, and the controllers, the servlets which acts as a controller to control the entire web application. So now we need to start the Tomcat server. The local server we are going to use is the Tomcat. So go to the browser, so type localhost 8080. This is the port number of your Tomcat. So here now we need to access the web server application here by that name. So admin has to log in by giving this admin ID and the admin password. If login successful, it will go to the home page. First here we need to maintain the product details. So product should be added to cart here. So when description good, product price 15,000. So that related product image we need to show, and we need to add to that product details. Then if you want to edit the detail, you can just select and edit. So product details is updated. Here we need to maintain the credit card details. So the web server application is used to maintain the product details and the credit card details. So you can add the credit card details here, credit card number, then date of month, year, 0, okay, 7, details is added successfully. Then admin want to see the log files, that log file details you can see. Then you can change the password. the new password has to validate with a confirm password, then change password. So admin password changed successfully. Log out. This is completely about a web server application. Now I am going to explain. Now APK file is installed to this mobile. So just user, you can create a new user here. So name, then password, number, should give a valid number, mail, then mail ID, celeste.e.com, locality Bangalore. Now register. So user registers successfully. Then user has to log in with user ID and the password. So if it is validated, then only user can go for shopping. So now user has login. In the cart we will be having a 3 items, so I'll go with the laptop. So the price is displayed, then name you should give, that card owner name, mail ID, at now next. If mail ID is validated, then only it will go to the next page. Now we need to give the credit card number, then bank name, expiry year, which we fed from web server, then month, then CVV number of the account, so request is made for payment. It has to check for the credit card authentication. So now after, if the credit card details is authenticated, validated, then that QR code image will be sent to the mail. That image we need to download from the mail. We need to scan that QR code which is downloaded from the net, QR code image. Now scan QR code. So you need to scan the QR code now. Scan this QR code. So you'll get a OTP now. Now you need to pay the payment if that OTP is validated. If the payment is paid successfully, then it will come back to the first login page. Thank you.